Hello fourth class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Students, let's start today's SS class. As you know, we have completed our block 2. So today we will describe and discuss the practice questions of block 2. You can find these practice questions at page number 15 in your content book of SS. So let's start. Lesson number 1 is different jobs. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विद वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट्स. ब्रैकेट्स में आपको वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, उन्हीं से आपको ये फिल करनी है. ए पार्ट, एंड डैश कैन हेल्प्स अस इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम विद द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन आवर हाउस. अगर हमारे हाउस में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो कौन उस प्रॉब्लम को ठीक करने में हमारी हेल्प कर सकता है? इलेक्ट्रिशियन और आर्किटेक्ट. सो यू हैव टू थिंक एंड राइट योर आंसर. बी पार्ट, if a shoe has a hole in it, a dash can fix it. पोर्टर और कॉपलर, कौन फिक्स कर सकता है अगर हमारे शू के अंदर एक होल हो गया है तो? सो यू हैव टू थिंक एंड राइट योर आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ डज अ पोर्टर्स जॉब हेल्प आवर सोसाइटी. एक पोर्टर जो है वो हमारी सोसाइटी की कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है? स्टूडेंट, अ पोर्टर मेक्स पोर्ट्स फॉर आवर सोसाइटी विच आर हेल्पफुल टू स्टोर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग. So, a porter help our society with their skills. Question number 3, is the job of an architect or more important than that of a carpenter? Give reasons for your answer. So, do you think that the job of an architect is more important than carpenter? Students, all the jobs are important on their own way because they both architect and carpenter help the society with their skills. Lesson number 2, work women at work. Right? If true or false. A part, all women are not allowed to work today. आज के टाइम में सारे women's को क्या अलाउ नहीं है वर्क करना? No, it's false statement because in today's generation all women can do the work of their choices. B part, earlier not every woman could work outside the house. Yes, it's true. Second question, why were women not allowed to work as air force pilots earlier? पहले के टाइम में women's को एयरफोर्स पायलट्स की जॉब करने के लिए क्यों अलाउ नहीं था? Students, earlier times women were not allowed to go outside to work for their work. They believed that men only can work. So, earlier time women were not allowed to work as air force pilots. Third question, why should both men and women be given equal chance to work? Students, both men and women are equal. They are equal in studies. So when we give opportunity to both men and women, they both can help to in progress our country. Lesson number 3, the weaver's job. Which of these can be made by a hand loom weaver? You have to tick the correct answer. Sari, notebook, cup or shawl. You have to write you have to tick the correct answer that a weaver make. Question number 2, why are some designs that our weavers make found only in India? Students, these designs are very old designs that are the skills of our weavers. So some kinds of designs are found only in India. Question number 3, what would happen if all the weavers decided to stop weaving? If all the weavers decided to stop weaving, so we will not able to get beautiful designs of handlooms, and handloom is a part of our heritage. If all the weavers decided to stop weaving, we will lose an important part of our heritage. Lesson number 4, conserving our heritage. कि हम हमारे conserving our handlooms, हम हमारे handlooms को कैसे बचा सकते हैं? Question number 1, why do many people in a family become weavers? एक ही फैमिली में बहुत सारे लोग वीवर्स क्यों होते हैं? स्टूडेंट्स, in a family many people become weavers because they learn this skill from their elders in the family. उनकी फैमिली में जो एल्डर्स होते हैं उनसे ही उन्होंने ये स्किल सीखी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट 2 रीजंस व्हाई लेस हैंडलूम क्लॉथ इज बीइंग मेड इन इंडिया टुडे। स्टूडेंट्स, वीवर वर्क वेरी हार्ड टू मेक अ ब्यूटिफुल डिजाइंस and it take more time for them, but they get very less money for their hard work. So handloom cloth is very costly for weavers. So today in India, less handloom clothes is being made in India. Question number 3. What would happen if handloom cloth is not conserved? अगर हैंडलूम क्लोथ्स को कंजर्व नहीं किया जाएगा तो क्या होगा? स्टूडेंट्स, हैंडलूम क्लोथ्स आर हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया. So if we will not conserve it, we will lose the most important part of our heritage. I hope these practice questions are clear to you all. Thank you everyone for watching this video. You have to complete these practice questions. Thank you.